Hello, this is Shimmoran here. It's about 8:15 p.m. on February 23rd, 2012. Now, those of you that are familiar with my channel know that I originally started my channel under a different name on February 25th, 2009. And that date's coming up. Well, I actually started before that. Now, I went into this briefly on my 1-year anniversary video, but I actually started a little bit earlier than that, like the week before. Basically what happened, I had like an old cell phone from 2005, and I filmed videos with that. I couldn't even fit videos more than a minute on there, so I just completely rushed the videos. And as it turned out, I couldn't even get them off in the first place. Like, I didn't know where the cable was, the thing didn't have an SD card slot, it was a piece of crap. So, that prompted me to buy my first camera, my Flip. And, of course, I broke that a little while later, and I'm not going to go into an entire history level about my channel. But those first videos I filmed on my cell phone, which are now forever lost, were actually taken here. And this is my first elevator. Ta-da! And now I'm actually using my iPhone right now that I got pretty recently. It's a 4S. This does have a front-facing camera, but I can't live swap that during video. But anyway, let's get on with it. Here's to 2 years and 363 days. And by the time you guys see this, my channel will be 3 years old. But we all know I upload videos when I feel like it. But maybe I can actually upload this from my iPhone. But anyway, here's a view. Now this didn't receive the cab refurbishment that a lot of buildings did, but this is one of the better running elevators here, last I wrote it. And here we are up on 6. There's the boiler room over there. Don't know why I pointed that out, but I did. And here's a nice nighttime view of Orlando. And let's get the elevator. Okay, good. It didn't leave on me. Superior Otis interlock. I can actually get that up here. I don't know if anybody saw that, but that interlock was first tested in December of 2001. Don't know why I just did that. And as you see, the fan is supposed to be on, but of course it is not. There's your certificate. I'd say this still is one of the better running elevators here. Not that it runs that well. I mean, the elevators here tend to be kind of crappy. I mean, it's hard to maintain a resort and the 27 elevators that come with it. Here's the machine room. Pretty sure it's locked. Yeah. And as we come out of here, I will show you guys something. Now we're coming out here. This building was built in 2004. This resort dates back to 96 or 97. And this is what the newer buildings look like. Yes, that is the elevator we just rode. It could have easily been made glass. And in one way or another, every elevator here could have easily been made glass. Now, don't know why I was going in that direction. I mean, I'm not gonna just film one elevator, of course. I'm gonna do a little miniature elevator tour of the entire, well, not the entire, but most of the, what's known as the West Village here. And this would include the Copaloca Bar and Grill over there. Now, this elevator is a former dump trap. It was the first time I rode it, it was the second time, but they fixed it last year. Okay, it's a little hard to do this with one hand. Okay, let's see how long I make an idiot out of myself. There we go. Improvisation. I'm gonna flip it around. So, don't know why you guys need to see me, but, you know, here I am. Walking up to the elevator at the Copaloca. Now, I don't know what I'm doing here. I mean, if it let me flip to the front-facing camera, maybe this view would be a little bit better. And, you know, just for shows, I am going to go over this bridge here. See, it's a pretty nice pool area. In case you all didn't know, we do have a timeshare here. This is the Marriott Vacation Club. We do have a few gripes with them, but that is possibly for another YouTube video. The employees themselves here, in fact, even at this restaurant, are good, but we have some management problems that need to be sorted out. So, cut through here. Let's open this up. You know what? I'm gonna do a personal first. Just facing me during an elevator video. Yes, I did get an actual video of this thing. I haven't yet gotten an actual video of that last one, which was 79. This sucks, by the way, so I hope you guys appreciate this. I do not like holding a camera like this, which is why I didn't really hold it like this for too long. I don't think I'm going to do this anymore. By the way, just a little preview for I Hate Escalators. Yes, this was included in my all 27 elevators here could have easily been made glass in one way or another. Let's press this button again. Now, it did a big bang on here. Like, going down, it did a big bang in the first and the second time I wrote this. First being the cell phone tape that was never uploaded or seen by anybody else. Okay, so that's out of the way. And we're coming at it here. There it is. And there's a sign there. Don't know how well you guys can see that. And I guess the proper name for this may be the Vista del Sol pool area. I call it the Copaloca because, well, it's in the building that houses the Copaloca Bar and Grill. And really, either way it goes. And now, this whole part of the resort was built in mid-2000s. As I said, this resort dates back to 96, 97. Now, I think the building we're coming up on, can't talk. I think the building we're coming up on over here is 84. I mean, I've stayed in this building before. I've stayed in 79 back there and 84 over here. And look, same design. Well, let's flip it around. Sorry about that interruption. I don't know what happened there. don't know if I accidentally clicked the record button or whatever. All you guys missed was a stint of absent-mindedness when I went to go ride the same elevator that we came from. So, not much was lost. But anyway, we're headed over to buildings 78 and 77. And these two buildings here house the only two ThyssenKrupps in the entire resort. I have yet to film these. I plan on it. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. You know, let's flip this around. So, I once again, I don't see what you guys are seeing. So, let's hope for the best. Probably look like an idiot right now. It's like 80 degrees here, and I'm used to 30 in New York. Anyway, let's flip this around. Yeah, there's a couple stores here. So you know what? Well, while they're doing their business, we're gonna ride the man-powered elevator. This is a ThyssenKrupp. By the way, in case you guys didn't know, I'm like ridiculously backlogged right now. So this is like, I'm pretty sure this is the first video that I took in 2012 that you guys are gonna see. This man-powered elevator actually was made glass, but the elevator was not. Alright, I don't feel like walking up the 6, so let's go back down. Up there. If it's a moth, yay. If it's not a moth, oh well. Yeah, I don't like moths too much. And those people only went up to 2. So, it's time to take the mechanical elevator. Yeah, I'm not going to flip this around for a bit because I don't like holding the camera like that. See, the machine room light actually is on in this elevator. Locked. So you can see in there a little bit. Let's see if I can put this in there. It's useless. Anyway, here's those replace buttons. No, this is probably one of the best elevators here, mainly because it's new. This resort doesn't really take very good care of their elevators, so don't really blame anybody for that. Here's all that fun stuff up there. ThyssenKrupp interlock. Things from 2006. Let's go up to 6. Now, when we bought our timeshare here, this building was actually still being built. Once again, one of the best running elevators here does not mean that this runs well. And as you see, these fixtures have seen better days. Of course, the Aurora buttons have definitely seen better days because they are in the garbage. At least that's what I would assume. But yeah, look at this. It's just all worn off. Aurora was not a very good fixture line. Get a cab view. This does have one of the renovated cabs. Well, actually, this was not renovated because it was installed like this. And these are These two ThyssenKrupps are the only two elevators here that aren't Series 1s. So, up. Looks like it had somewhere to go. So, let's flip this back around. And as you see, the Florida humidity, as you probably see, Florida humidity and the, well, it's probably 70-something right now, but yeah, the Florida humidity's getting to me a little bit. Not that sweaty, I probably appear more sweaty than I am, but whatever. This shit's candid, folks. Now, as you guys see, and good, I am still recording. That's a plus. We got building 77. No, this is not 77 Quaker Ridge. I wish. I almost went there, but I did not. But this does have a ThyssenKrupp. Not a Kruppy mod, just a ThyssenKrupp. As you see, somebody boarded over there, so we're going to be waiting a little bit. That's a sprinkler room. Fire alarm. This building was also built in 2006. As I said, this resort was built over the course of 9 years, and there are some slight differences, like light fixtures, that this building has from any other building. Of course, in addition to ThyssenKrupp. Costa Brava. I don't remember all those names, so. By the way, we would be able to watch the elevator come down, but whoops, I guess we can't. Let's go over and catch DTK. Oh, beautiful. I see what's left of the Aurora is holding up very well. Not quite as bad as 78, but this elevator is also like a mirror image of 78. This elevator just feels very backwards. Probably because I'm right-handed. So let's get a view. Did I press 1? No, I didn't. And would you look at that? They're advertising the Follow Golf Institute. I have to say that might be one of my favorite buildings here, and I know it's one of Fletch's favorites. Let's play with focusing a little bit. See, now I'm focused on the indicator. See, now I'm focused on the wall. This machine room is also placed differently than any other building, than the other building here. And you can also see in. And this is the last building going out this way. So, you know, let's see what I can do. I can definitely film my walk back to the Gobloke area. What else to do? What else to do? I am not going to rock the gauntlet here, because that would take way too long. Honestly, I don't even know if I would be up for that. I mean, what, 25 Series 1s and 2 ThyssenKrupps? Yeah, no thanks. You know what? Let's take this walkway. Let's take the scenic walkway. There's the main building over there. You know, it's my 3-year anniversary, so let's make this a little special. I'm actually going to go over to the main building and in the process show you the main pool area and whatnot, and ride the 2 elevators in the main building. Now, I don't know if there are any activities going on there right now. I don't think there are, but I don't know. There's 84 over there. I'm not gonna go there. And if you see that bridge over there, we are taking that bridge. I'm probably going to download iMovie for iPhone and edit it right here. I mean, I was just going to do this uncut, but it looks like I screwed up over there, and I guess I have to stitch these 2 together. Okay, whatever. So, yeah. See, there's a little more of a view there. ThyssenKrupps will probably be filmed tomorrow. And some people there need to close their curtains. Didn't see anything inappropriate, I just saw their conversation. And I don't know if they really intend for anybody to see that. See, there's another view. Let's go in. Whole area is not very crowded right now because I think we're almost at, well, it's like almost 9 p.m. now. I can check. My iPhone right here. 8:41. So, let's make an idiot out of myself again and try to open this door. There we go. And like a bedroom door, it is going to slam behind me. See ya? And we're right back here at the Copaloca. And we're going to cross that beautiful bridge there. Because why the hell not? It's not like I have anything to do right now. By the way, kudos to you if you're still watching this video. Because I'll tell you right now, I'm not watching this video right now. And I'm sure if I were in your position, I probably wouldn't be watching it either. So, kudos to you for watching the whole thing. And, I don't know, you can write something like, oh, I know, Felicia has abrasions in the comments, if you did make it to this point. Even if you just randomly skipped here to, like, 23 minutes, then, by all means, you're pretty damn lucky. And if you're just tuning in now, skip back about a minute, and you'll know what to leave in the comments. Yeah, I've kind of given up on flipping my camera around because I don't want you guys to see me. I'm a little antisocial. If you guys want to look at the beginning of the video, by all means. I certainly don't. You know what? I'll bet that, well, if there were people around here, they would probably think I'm an idiot. Because, you know what, I kind of am. Ah, there's a kid over there. Let's see how this goes. Not a kid person. Yeah, whatever. See the volleyball court over there. They could have made that into a real beach if they wanted, but I guess they decided not to. And it's all like a man-made lake over there. Let's enter over here. I don't know if there's anything going on here. I really don't. You know what? You guys can probably tell me, because there are activity boards in the elevators that I rode. So you guys can probably just go back and pause it and tell me in like 2 days. There's the sauna over there. And see, this is the main pool area. Well, only a bridge separates this pool area from the Copaloca pool area over there. Or Vista del Sol. That's calling it by its real name, which nobody uses except for them.
Would you go on the go-karts again?
Basketball with a volleyball, if that's what that is. You see, I'm just doing observational shit right now. I could call it observational comedy, but I am not a comedian. Believe me, I am not a comedian. You know, I could cut through that restaurant there if I wanted to, but I don't feel like it. See, these ones are easy to open with one hand. There's the Marketplace gift shop over there. That's been there since this resort opened, I think. There's the Grande Cove. That's like a fast food type thing they do here. And we're going to hit this Otis here before we hit the center opening one across the way. So, let's ride it. You know, this video is nice because it actually gives you all an idea of like where everything is and how weird some of the stuff is. Like, I don't know why they choose to have like one elevator in every other building, but 2 in this one. Maybe this one. Well, this one goes up to 4, while the other one goes up to 3. But still, I don't know what the purpose of the other one is, or why they even made it center opening. Go 4. It is really, really, really humid. That's Florida, what do you expect? Tomorrow it's going to be like a record high of 88. And who knows, it might even get higher than that. It's supposed to get up to 86 today. I'm pretty sure it did. Let's put it that way. I'm actually going down to 3. Let's see. Yep, I do not know what the purpose of the center opening notice is. And here's a manpower elevator that, if you look here, could have easily been made glass. And, oh, by the way, that is the elevator we just rode. Would have been a really beautiful view of this courtyard here, but I guess they decided not to do that, to Fletch's dismay. And this is the main building where, you know, where you check in and all that wonderful stuff. Wow, we got 20 minutes on our belt here. Well, on this video, probably 30 in total. That's where I have this. By the way, as you will see in a minute, this elevator is not made glass. In fact, let's go around here. That's the elevator shaft.
But see, you know how you gotta understand what I mean. Like,
Because I know you guys are probably looking for something special in this video. You know what? Door trick. That goes a little more. There we go. You can get a nice breeze. You have to look through the doors. I've done this a lot on this trip when I'm on like bored days. This is the only elevator you can do this on. Oh, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the lobby. They actually just renovated this. And you see these doors are new as well as the ones across the way. They look just like this. And here's the view of that this beautiful courtyard and this beautiful elevator shaft. There's a fountain. Wouldn't want to drop my iPhone in there, now would I? My battery is probably pretty low right now. In fact, let's check this in. Notification Center by Apple. Battery's at 53%. It was like at 80-something when I started this video. It could be worse. Those people really should not be standing in front of that gate. Because, God forbid, people have to use that gate. Oh no. That would never happen. I could use that exit. I really could. I don't really feel like it. And somebody's using their camera. Here's the pool. And we're going to enter in through here. This is building 81. Let's go in through here. This one actually, well, doesn't close all the way all the time. See, that thing needs a little help. And I think this is actually one of the oldest elevators here, by the way. This is the other type of elevator that could have easily been made glass. Oh yeah, and that's Suzuki's favorite chime. Be sure to send him plenty of videos of elevators with that chime if you are still watching this video. Like 33 minutes in. Don't know why the hell I just went up the floor. This thing has a little bit of a different controller than the rest of them. All the elevators with Suzuki's favorite chime seem to have a different controller. So I think those are the oldest elevators here. He actually really does love this chime, and Felicio really loves this setup. But, yeah. Yes, as I said, there are 27 elevators here. Not a single one of them was made glass. But they all could have easily been made glass, of course. You know, I just realized, in this video, I'm showcasing just about every type of elevator there is here. There is some with different lighting, but for the most part, this is what they have. I'm actually making my way back to my room right now. You know, I figure I might as well keep my camera rolling while I do this. Because, you know, it's not like I have anything better to do. And that's serious. I really do not have anything better to do. I have no idea why that's up there. I mean, I guess they're doing work on that room or something, where the guests in that room just decided to put a sign up. Whatever. And see, there's that bridge we actually took probably 10 minutes ago. Yeah, talking's getting a lot easier now. Now that I don't really have anything to tell you guys in particular. Just, you know, saying words as they roll off of my mind. Believe me, that is so much better. That's the way I'm used to doing things. If I go to a script, I'll fuck up about 10 times. Guaranteed. And this is 82 right here. As you see, if they're in a row, they generally go in logical order. Like, that was the 81, this is 82. I'm just gonna ride this to the floor. This is probably the crappiest elevator here. Oh, beautiful. There's a big bug there, and I do not like big bugs that much. I don't think anybody really likes big bugs that much. You know what? I'm not gonna ride that. I don't want that thing to go into my face or anything like that. Cue flaming here, a little flaming there. But if you're a troll, then you're probably wasting your time. Because, I mean, who the hell is gonna skip to, like, 35 minutes into the video? No, probably 38. I just looked down at the time. It would be more like 38. And trolls, if you're watching this video 38 minutes in, congratulations. Hallelujah to you. Let me tell you, if you're trolling me and you're spending 38 minutes on it, it's probably not worth it. Because, I mean, I don't really care. And let's tilt this up a little bit so you guys don't see my license. Wow. There might be a little cut there. Now, we're actually going to my room right now. How convenient. This is probably recalling or something. And this is actually one of my least favorite buildings here. And of course we're in it again for like the third time. And we were in 82 once. Just your average Grande Vista elevator, which is pretty bad, like 2 stars. Like, not like piece of shit death trap status, but still not good. Not good. I mean, as I said, it's hard to maintain 27 elevators. And see, this is what I see outside of my room. You know, a giant parking lot. Oh, and look, there's the lake over there. And, you know, you guys probably have had enough by now. So I'm gonna end this just because I'm just about at my room anyway. In fact, that's my room. Not like you guys can track me down by what room I stayed in. Unless you're a Marriott employee or something like that. If so, whatever. But anyway, with all of that said, that's it. There's an exit sign there, which I cannot zoom in on, but this video is exiting now. Goodbye.